been watching countless of videos on YouTube how you can get massive views, massive subscribers, and some other big YouTubers actually tell you how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. Okay, all right. If you have started creating content on YouTube or you just want to start, this video is for all my small YouTubers like me. So in this video, I'm going to spill the real truth about the subscribers of a team and how you can actually grow on YouTube, right? So I've been in YouTube for some months. So with my little experience, I've tried to like experiment different things to see what actually works for me. And I also noticed that in this YouTube street, what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. All right. So I'm going to tell you in this video the 5 real truths to grow on YouTube as a small YouTuber that no one has ever told you before, right? So you just need to watch this video to the very end and take all those things I'm going to tell you in this video into consideration. And trust me, you are going to see a massive growth on your YouTube channel. For those of you that are coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Afio. Then this channel, I talk everything about making money. Please do well to like and subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's just get straight to the point. Number one thing to note is that growth is slow. Right, so when I mean growth is slow is that as a small YouTuber or as a small content creator, if you have not built your audience from any other social media platform like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and you just start creating content on YouTube, that growth will not just come like overnight. It won't just come. All right, okay, I know of a particular lady. Her name is Ada Ife. All right, so this lady started a YouTube channel and within 2 weeks she got monetized. Right, tell me how this thing works. This thing works in the sense that she has already built her audience on TikTok. She has over, I think, how many is it, over 100 followers or something like that on TikTok. She has already built those audience. Focus on giving them educative content, quality content, valuable content. And the moment she created her YouTube channel, she just posted a clip, like a part of the video on her TikTok account, and encouraged her followers to like follow her on YouTube or subscribe to her channel, and boom, that's how she got the views, she got the subscribers, and all of those stuff like that. But if you have just started creating content on one social media platform, let's say for instance, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, at first it will be very, very hard for you to grow. Don't let anyone deceive you about this thing. I'm just telling you right now. It will be very, very hard for you to grow. All right, because no one knows you yet. Even if your content is the best, even if your content is the best, you have even put more effort in your video, in the video quality by editing your video, and at the end of the day, you still not end up getting the views, you still not end up getting the subscribers, and it looks very, very frustrating. But what I just want to tell you to note is that growth is very, very slow. All right, when you start a YouTube channel, don't let your main focus be based on the numbers, because it's actually going to affect your mental health. I actually made a video on why you need to delete YouTube Studio. Please, if you have not watched that video, you need to go now and watch that video after this very particular video for you to understand why I said you don't need this app in your phone, for like especially now. You don't need it, okay? So I know what it means when you put in your time, your energy, filming video or editing the video, creating your thumbnails, optimizing your video for size that include your titles, your description, your hashtags, your tags, and you put the video out there and you just feel like, oh, this video is the best. I'll just wake up and see massive views and see subscribers, and at the end of the day you end up not finding any of those things. It's very, very frustrating. And like if you're not careful, you might actually stop creating content. I was once there before. All right, so just note that growth is very slow. Even if you wake up in a day and you see 1 subscribers, you should be very, very grateful to God for making that happen. That actually means that people actually see your video and they like all of those stuff like that, and that is just the truth about it. No matter how slow it is, no matter how long it will take, the truth is that one day we shall all get monetized on YouTube, and all our effort will be much appreciated. We will just sit back and see our YouTube channel grow, and you'll be like, thank God I didn't give up. Thank God I made it here. Thank God I made it to the last. Please don't let anything like stop you from creating content. Don't let the numbers you are not getting, don't let the views you are not getting, don't let the subscriber count you are not getting stop you from creating a valuable content. All right, so another thing I want to talk about is YouTube algorithms. All right, so YouTube algorithm keeps changing often, right? So today they might say, okay, the requirement for this is this, like now they are like introducing a new update on short, which is that you can get to upload short longer than how it used to be before, and it will also help you to like make more money. I made a video on that I discussed everything about that. You can do what to like watch that video for you to know about that. So YouTube keeps changing every day. They keep on bringing update every day, so you just always need to like stay updated to all this update. All right, so You might not think that YouTube algorithm does not favor you, all right, because you are doing everything that you need to do and you are not seeing the view. Let me tell you how YouTube algorithm actually works. It's not by I'm not being favored or YouTube algorithm is not favoring me. YouTube algorithm picks engagement and watch time. All right. So I always advise people whenever you create a video, please have multiple accounts, have multiple YouTube channel. So that the moment you just put that video out there, you are just going to switch account to your other multiple account. Watch that video to the very end. And after watching that video, make sure you leave a good comment. All right, leave a good comment, a comment that when people actually come across that video, it also encourage them. Should I use the word ginger them to also leave a good comment based on the previous comment they have actually seen. All right, just comment on that video as if you like you are watching another person's video. Don't comment as if it's my video. Please watch my video. Leave a good comment. Oh, nice tutorial. You know all those sweet stuff that you do. So after that, you now switch back to your main account and make sure you reply to those comments. Don't just comment and leave it there. Make sure you reply to those comments. Thank you, dear. I'm glad you love it. I'm glad you find interest in it. By so doing, YouTube love how much people spend time watching your video, and they also love to see the engagement you're having on your video. This will actually make them to like push that video more to get to more people, to make them to like recommend the video to get to more people. All right. Okay, guys, sorry about that. The power supply got interrupted, so I need to like figure out how I can actually complete this very particular video. Okay, so the number three thing I want to talk about is dealing with self-doubt. All right, I know that whenever you put all these things into consideration, like what I mean is that whenever you film a video, edit the video, do your SEO research or your SEO optimization, and you put the video out there and not see getting the views, you might start doubting yourself. Is there anything I've not done well? Is there anything I've done wrong? Is there anything I'm not doing right? Oh, this one, that one, this one, that one. See, you don't owe yourself anything, all right? You are the best version of yourself. The main truth is that the algorithm hasn't picked up your video yet. I've told you what you actually make the algorithm to like pick up your video. You might actually think that the algorithm is not your friend. Okay, that's true, because I myself I used to feel like that sometimes, because sometimes I do see people video that actually did. Maybe it might still be on based on the same stuff. I did that video and I put it out there and it's not getting like you understand the kind of stuff you expected from the video. But when some other person actually put that kind of video, you see boom, the views and all of those stuff. Do you understand? So you don't need to doubt yourself about anything. Just focus on creating valuable content. Just focus on making progress every single day. All right. If today you are not using mic, tomorrow you can try to improve about that. If today your video quality is not okay, tomorrow you can get to improve yourself. If you can check back my previous video when I started my YouTube journey, you'll notice that there has been a lot of change on my video. All right. So you don't need to doubt yourself about anything. Okay. So after that being said, number 14 I want to tell you as a small YouTuber is for you to know that small wins matter a lot. Okay, when I mean small wins, I mean those small achievements you've made so far, those small milestones. Please, I will advise you always screenshot your milestone, your achievement, and keep like just have a screenshot about that on your phone. How you started from 0 subscribers to 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 25 to 30 till the number of subscribers you're actually proud of yourself, because this will all actually be like an encouragement to you whenever you look back and see how far you've gone. Oh, I once started with 0 subscribers. Oh, this I once started with 0 views, 1 views. You now notice that one of your video actually has 1,000 views. You'll be like, wow, God, this God is amazing. You're actually going far. You're actually doing well. All right. So you don't need to like doubt yourself about anything. These small wins matter a lot. Even if you wake up in a day or you go back to your channel and you check and you see 1 subscribers, it's a thing of joy. Or even if you actually see a comment that doesn't come from you, that doesn't come from your loved one, that doesn't come from any of the family members, it's still something to be grateful for. All right. So you don't need to like get panic about all of this stuff like that. You need to be happy about any small achievement you've made so far. So please, if you have not liked this video and subscribed to my channel, please, I don't know what you're still waiting for. Please do it to like and share so that YouTube algorithm will actually push up the video. So the last thing I want you to note about this YouTube stick is that monetization takes time to some persons and it doesn't take time to some other person. All right, there are two different categories of people. Right, people like us, like you and I, that are just starting out. We are not known by anywhere, anyone, any platform. We are just started creating content or putting ourselves out there. Just know that to get monetized on YouTube takes time. To some person, it might take some months, some years, and all of those stuff like that. And what are the requirements that you actually need for you to get monetized on YouTube? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order for you to get monetized on Facebook. And this watch hours has to be in the last 12 months. That's 1 year. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm actually trying to say. So let's say for an instance, you have accumulated 4,000 watch hours this very particular year, B2024. Okay, but then your subscriber count is not up to 1K, which is one of the requirements for you to get monetized. And when we now cross over to the next year, which is 2025, that watch hour that you accumulated in 2024 won't be counted again. You are going to start it all the way. Then you are going to start it from the scratch. So that's why you need to, like, when you notice that you're having the subscribers, you need to like start putting content out, the valuable content that we will actually spend our time watching, go on live, interact with them. Like just do go live often. They actually use that one for subscribers so that you can actually be monetized. Because when you get to next year or another year, that monetization will not, sorry, that watch time or watch hour will no longer count. All right, so these are the little things I've learned so far. For some months I've been on YouTube, and I've actually known about this thing, and that is why it keeps me going. And I can tell you that just focus on creating valuable content. That's just the truth about it. And whenever you create a content, make sure you watch your video to the very end. Don't share your video link to your family members and your loved ones. Like that's your friends, your family members. See, no matter how your siblings, your sisters, your parents, or your friend, like I mean your best friends love you, nobody wants to be your first breakthrough. I know this might shock you. No one wants to be your first breakthrough. Before you can actually know that, oh, they have watched that video to the very end, it's actually when you like, or maybe you borrow their phone or use their phone and you watch that video to the very end. But when you tell them, oh sister, I've uploaded a new video, oh brother, I've uploaded a new video, please watch and share. Okay, let me just bust your bubble. Do you know that even when they click on that video to watch, they will not watch that video up to 2 seconds, and they might just watch, click, like, comment, and leave it, and they are not watching it. So this actually sent a wrong signal to YouTube algorithm that this video is not actually doing well. So that's why I advise you create multiple channels, create as multiple channels as you can. I made a video now. You can use one Gmail account to create 100 account, to create 100 YouTube channel. Please watch that video. Check among my YouTube or video. You're going to see that video. Watch that video for you to know about it. Because you might not think that, oh, I will need to start creating different email address for this. You don't need that. Just with one Gmail account can be creating multiple accounts. Watch your video to the end. Leave a good comment. Switch back to your other account. Reply as if you are replying to someone else's comment. Alright. So guys, I hope with these few tips you'll be able to like grow your YouTube channel, and we shall also see in those YouTube scripts, guys. So please don't forget to like, share, alright, comment on this post. Let me know if you find this video helpful. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I upload a new video like this. Bye guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you.